The Real Avid AR15 MicroTool is a trustworthy, reliable partner for your black gun on the range, in the field, or amidst the intensity of TAC ops. Though it weighs less than 3 ounces, you have 18 tools at instant command to sight, punch, scrape, adjust, and keep on firing. The AR15 MicroTool may look like an ordinary key fob, but don't be fooled by the innocent facade. It includes a flathead screwdriver, 5 different wrench sizes, a cutter, a bolt face scraper, another screwdriver, a front sight adjuster, a pin punch, a 5mm bit driver, a bolt tail scraper, 2 firing pin scrapers, a bottle opener, a carabiner, and yes, a key ring. All stainless steel construction assures the Real Avid AR15 MicroTool can take a beating, handle all the elements, and stay ready when you need it.